Hey yo, what is what it do, homies at home at? It's your boy RC here. Get ready to get into this video by a task called trying to hold that last sneeze in. And you know what? In school, especially, you just be doing work. It's quiet. People ain't talking. Sometimes it could be a rowdy class and everybody just talking. Or you just do something that's awkward, like you can sneeze or you can pass gas. And you know what? It's just crazy. But let's go ahead and get into the video right now. And I got funny thing to tell y'all after this too. Uh,
Thank you.
or it'd be like that.
Bless you.
Dang, sorry. God damn, what do you think? Sorry. That shit up, man. Sorry.
Try to hold that last sneeze in.
Fuck my leg. I'm twisting.
I ain't got an elbow in my. So y'all not gonna say bless you, man? Fuck you.
That was funny. Oh my gosh. It was like they was getting ready to square up with him, but that's last sneeze that he did. It was like he had superpowers. He just blew the entire room back. Seriously, come on now. But you know what? The craziest thing happened to me while I was in class one time. This was like back when I was in 8th grade. I will never forget this because it was embarrassing to me. I remember being asleep and what was it? Was it my language arts teacher? Yeah, probably. My language arts teacher was in history, one of their classes, and it was kind of boring to me, and I fell asleep. Everybody was just, I think they was watching me sleep because when I was asleep, I was snoring heavy. And somebody went to wake me up, right? Somebody went to wake me up. I passed gas. I was so embarrassed. I heard people, like, while I was trying to wake up, I heard people laughing. Like, I was trying to play that off. Nobody spoke about it, but I was embarrassed. Like, bro. But anyway, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all did. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Until next time, much love, stay cool, y'all. Peace.